Miraziz, let's talk about gifting. Somebody asked the question, who can you gift your property to? And because that has an impact on transfer fees and things like that as well,
Exactly.
yeah? So how does that logic of gifting work?
Well, technically you can gift your property to anyone you want.
Okay.
But legally, in order to transfer that transaction as a gift, you need to be aware of certain restrictions. According to Dubai Land Department rules, you can gift your property or register that gift as a gift transfer only in case if you're transferring it to your first degree relatives. And by first degree relatives, it's meant spouses, like husband and wife,
Yeah.
children and parents. So you can gift your property to your children, to your parents, or to your husband and wife. Another scenario where you can gift your property is if you want to transfer the property from your individual name to your company name, or vice versa, from your company to your individual name. This is also this can also be
gifting?
considered as
Okay,
a
that's
gifting,
good to know.
yes. And I know there are a lot of people who want to register the transfer as a gift to avail that reduced transfer fee.
Yes.
Because there is a huge gap between
Yes.
the.
What is the amount? So a normal transfer will be 4%, but plus
Yes.
some admin fees, and how much?
For
would
the gift transfer, you pay only 0.125%,
I
which
see.
is considerably less than
True.
4%. Yeah.
Okay. We can always marry someone.
Are siblings permitted? Like if you wanna gift to a brother
Siblings,
or sister?
no, siblings are not permitted. Even if in reality you are gifting your property to your brother, let's say, but you have to pay 4% because you cannot register it as a gift.
Okay.
So it's like, there are a lot of rules, related to the gifting. Sometimes there is a question of double gifting. For example, you may transfer your property to your parents as a gift, and then your parents can transfer to your brother.
Gotcha.
It's called double gifting, but this is not allowed because when it's gifted one time, it cannot be gifted second time. Of course, this is subject to the decision, and each time you can seek an approval. But if you are doing it only for the purpose of paying reduced fee, then this may get blocked.